A diver is 30 meters below the surface of a lake filled with fresh water. Above the water surface is air exerting a pressure of 1.02 times 10 to the power 5 Newton per meter squared. A. Calculate the pressure due to the water alone at the diver's position. B. Determine the total pressure acting on the diver. C. If the diver carries a flat circular plate of area 0.040 meters squared, calculate the total force exerted on the plate by the water and air. Take density of fresh water to be 1000 kg per meter cube, and also gravity, which is G, to be 9.8 meter per second squared. Okay, let's solve it. So, solution. The depth of the diver, which is H, was given to be 30 meters. So 30 meters. And also the atmospheric pressure, let's make it PATM. That was 1.02 times 10 to the power 5 Newton per meter squared. Okay. And also the density of the fresh water was given to be 1000 kilogram per meter cube. And gravity, which is G, was given to be 9.8 meters per second squared. Okay, so question A, we have to calculate for the pressure due to the water alone at the diver's position. And the formula for calculating pressure, which is P, is density times gravity times the depth, which is H. So therefore, the pressure due to the water alone, let's make it PW, is equal to the density of the water, which is 1000, times the gravity, which is 9.8, times the depth, which is 30. Okay, so by using calculator, 1000 times 9.8 times 30, which will give us 294,000 Pascal. Okay, so pressure, that's the pressure of the water alone, that's PW. Okay, let's move on to question B. Question B, we have to determine the total pressure acting on the diver. And there are two pressures acting on the diver. That's the pressure of the water and also the atmospheric pressure. So let's make total pressure to be PT. So PT is equal to pressure of the water plus the atmospheric pressure. So therefore, total pressure will be equal to the pressure of the water alone, which is 294,000, plus the atmospheric pressure, which is 1.02 times 10 exponent 5. So by using calculator, 294,000 plus 1.02 times 10 to the power 5. So this will give us 396,000. This is equal to 396,000 Pascal. Okay, please don't forget the unit is Pascal. Let's proceed. So question C. Question C. Question C says if the diver carries a flat circular plate of area, so the area of the circular plate was given to be 0.040 meters squared. Calculate the total force exerted on the plate by the water and air. And we know the total pressure as PT to be 396,000 Pascal. So we have to calculate for the total force. But we know pressure, the formula for calculating for pressure to be P is equal to force over area. So the force, which is the total force, let's make it Ft, will be equal to total pressure times the area of the plate, so A. So therefore, total force will be equal to 396,000 times the area of the plate, which is 0.040. Okay, let's use our calculator. So 396,000 times 0.04. This will give us 15,840. So total force equal to 15,840 Newton. So therefore, the total force exerted on the plate by the water and air is 15,840 Newton. Thank you very much. Please like, share, leave a comment, and also subscribe and follow for more. Bye bye.